This is the strangest mystery box I've ever received on our channel, and it's from MSI. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another new mystery box to check out in this video guys, and this one is from MSI. See, the mystery box is very special this time because see, usually mystery boxes come in like regular packages with all tapes and all that stuff, but this one over here is like complete custom design. Like it's got some artwork on it, there's a dragon logo and literally says loot box on this thing. Like, what does a loot box mean? Is this some sort of special PUBG loot crate that we get in the box? Do we have some sort of treasure inside this, MSI? What did you guys send to me? This is making me very curious. I'm like very excited to unbox and show you also like what's inside this package. Now, how do I know it's from MSI? Because basically you've got the MSI logo, dragon logo everywhere on the package, and that is how I know it's directly from MSI. Thing is, a couple of days ago I got an invitation from MSI saying that they're launching an exclusive MSI gaming laptop store in Hyderabad, guys. This is actually the first MSI exclusive store they've launched in Telangana, and I'm assuming to get started with that, they're sending some special gifts to all the media people, and this is one of them. That is what I believe. Now, they didn't tell me anything about the box or what's inside this package, so that is completely mystery to me as well. And without wasting any more time, let's just directly unbox it and check out what do we have inside this package. Alright guys, so here is that special loot box that MSI has sent us. It looks just like a treasure chest in games and has the MSI logo everywhere on the packaging. To the right side, we've got the dragon picture and says loot box. Now this is making me very curious as I'm getting no hints or clues as to what's inside this package. It's not that lightweight also, weighs around 200-250 grams, and the crazy thing is, on the bottom side there's actually an MRP label with a price of 7,990 rupees. What does that mean? Like, people can buy this thing? I've never seen this box anywhere in any MSI store also. Strange, right? What do you people think is in the box? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's see if you can guess it right. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox it and see what did we get in the package. Oh, okay. What is this? Looks like they've hidden some treasure below this grass paper. Let me just throw all of this aside, and guys, look at this. Is this a toy? There's a small toy in the box, and that too, it's MSI's iconic dragon. Along with that, there's also something else in the package over here. I think it's a headset. Yes, a gaming headset, and that's it guys. These are all the stuff we got in the mystery loot box. Now let's have a closer look at these items, starting off with this dragon. So this dragon is not a toy as I thought initially. It's actually a pen drive, and as you can see, it's called the Lucky Flash Drive. Lucky is the name of MSI's mascot dragon, that is what they call it, and this is a 16GB USB 3.0 variant. That's it, there is nothing much written on the case. Let me just open it and show you the dragon. Oh wow, this is actually very cute. And to be honest, it looks like a Pokemon, a mix between Charmeleon and Charizard. How many of you think the same? And also I have to say, build quality is very good. The dragon is entirely made of soft silicone material and looks cute and attractive. All of that is fine, but how do I open it? Where's the pen drive? Oh, so this is how you can access it. You need to remove the dragon's head and then you'll be able to use the drive. I'm pretty sure my sister's going to snatch this from me because she likes these sort of stuff. Anyways, let's keep that aside and check out the headset as well. I wonder why there's no box packaging for the headset. I'm not sure about the model as well. It just came in this sort of bubble wrap, and here you go, a brand new gaming headset from MSI. As I've told you just now, I'm not sure about the model because there was nothing written on the box and there's nothing on the headset as well. And this is the first time I'm actually seeing this design headset from the brand, so must be something new from them. From the looks of it, it's a wired gaming headset with a black and red theme going on, has a dragon logo here on both the sides, and the ear cups are covered with a metal grill that makes it look quite premium. Going to the top, we've got the MSI gaming branding on the headband, and if you ask about the design, the ear cups do not swivel to the left or right. You can only adjust the headband length by moving them up or down. And as you can see, headset also has a microphone for communication, but the thing is, it's not removable. And if you ask about the ear cups, well, the ear cups feel pretty nice. The cushioning on them feels soft and spongy, and the headband also has decent amount of padding. So that was about the headset. And coming to the cable, it's got a good quality cable with a length of around 1.5 meters and runs down to a media control unit. On this unit, it has the MSI branding, a volume control dial, and a microphone on a switch. And that's it. The cable lastly runs down to a Y-split cable, one for the microphone and the other is a headphone jack. Alright, so that was our quick unboxing and exclusive look at these items that we got in MSI's loot box. So after doing a bit of research online, I found that these are exclusive limited edition stuff, guys, that MSI is planning to give away with some exclusive laptop bundles. As you can see, it's not available currently in India right now. I found them only on like Malaysian sites. In Malaysian site, this tiny little MSI Lucky USB pen drive, which is a 16 GB variant, costs almost 112 Malaysian ringgits, which if you roughly translate to Indian rupees, this thing costs around 2000 rupees. And if you talk about the headset, this MSI gaming headset costs $100, 100 freaking dollars. Oh my god, it's a 7000 rupees gaming headset, guys. So you can't actually buy them. It says not for sale clearly over here. It's like a free limited edition stuff that you get only with some exclusive gaming laptops from MSI. Okay, what I'll do is I'll quickly boot up some game. I'll connect this to my PC and I want to see how these things sound like. Okay, so I've just connected the gaming headset to my PC. There's no RGB lighting or anything. It's a simple black and red themed gaming headset. So yeah, let me just put them on. Okay. So talking about the comfort, I'd say average sort of comfort. Not the most comfortable gaming headset I've used so far. Let's just play the game and let me tell you what do I feel about the audio on them. Hey, not bad actually. Initial impressions, the mids feel pretty nice. You can clearly hear all the dialogues in the game and the stereo separation is also pretty good actually. You know what? I'm actually planning on using them for some time and making a dedicated review video on this gaming headset. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap up the video. That was an exclusive look at this special loot box from MSI. I totally did not expect that we'll get these items inside the package. MSI really surprised me today. I hope you also enjoyed watching this video and getting to check out this limited edition MSI exclusive things. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.